Next area that we're going to cover on the modular is the low cable row. With this machine, I can adjust my weight or select my weight by moving the pin in and out. You'll see other stacker weights on here. These are incremental weights in between. As you can see, these jump 10 pounds, 20 to 30 to 40. This is just a 5-pound jump if I want to get somewhere in between that 10 pound. On this exercise, I'll simply have a slight bend in my knee, and I want to keep my chest out and my lower back with good posture. From here, keeping that posture throughout, notice how my chest is out. I want to bring the handle to my belly button. Then from here, I want to stretch the area behind my armpits, which is my back, or my latissimus dorsi, and I want to bring this to my belly button. I want to stretch, contract. Notice how I'm keeping my posture with my lower back tight, my chest out. I don't want to get in the habit of rolling forward and pulling it back with my arms. And I also don't want to yank back this way. Okay? If you feel yourself yanking back too much, you have too much weight. I want to control the weight by stretch, contract. And I want to really feel the area that I'm working. And pretend that my hands are just there to guide the weight back. And I'm really focusing on my back muscles as I do this. When I'm done, I want to put the weights back without letting them slam.